Hey everybody, come with me as I travel to Dubai on Emirates Business Class. My flight today will be on the A380, but unfortunately, starting November 5th, 2023, Emirates will be switching to the 777 for the Dulles route. Here's a view of the new Emirates livery on the tail and winglet. First class and business class have their own gate to the upper deck of the plane. First things first, you are given a welcome drink. I chose apple juice, but you can choose between champagne, wine, water, really anything of your choice. Now you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy your welcome drink and get ready for the flight to start. Here are the menus you are given before the flight. One is a food menu, that's to the left, and one is a wine menu, and that's to the right. In this menu, you can see mocktails, coffee, juice, mojitos, whiskey. You have your lunch options, dessert, snacks, breakfast, light bites, even what's included in the lounge. The tail cam is really cool to watch during takeoff. And if you see here, we are off to Dubai. This is one of my favorite parts of the flight. Here is the Amenity kit that you are given. I was super excited about this because I wanted to see what was inside. Inside the Amenity kit, you have Kleenex, lotion, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a brush, deodorant, a compact mirror, lip balm, perfume, and face moisturizer. The men's Amenity kit included cologne, face moisturizer, lotion, shaving cream, a shaver, comb brush, Kleenex, and deodorant. At your seat, you also have these noise canceling headphones, which, if you ask me, are super important during the flight. And then you have these socks and the eye shades for when you're ready to get comfy and cozy. It's also really nice that there's a mini bar at the seat and you're given a comfy pillow and a blanket. This is the divider you can control that goes up and down between two seats. This is one of the hot towels that they pass out throughout the flight. It is something I never knew I needed. This is the footrest area. I have my backpack at the top and there's a little cubby hole at the bottom, but I did eventually move my backpack and my feet went all the way inside of that area. There is an area for your plugs and things like that. I have the headphones plugged in there, but you do have a place to plug in things. This is the separate remote that you can use to either watch TV or you can use it as a remote for the bigger screen in front of you. Here are the buttons to control the position of your seat, so you can recline, lay it all the way down like a bed, or you can position it to move forward or backwards. Here's the light at your seat that you can use throughout your flight. Here are your in-flight entertainment options, so you can just browse. There are movies, TV shows, podcasts, even different albums you can listen to, so there's a lot to choose from. There's also this tablet that's at your seat, and really it's just another option to watch movies, TV shows, and listen to music. This is the pull-out tray and it's nice and sturdy. The first meal I ordered was this Mediterranean dish, which included hummus, pita bread, and salad. Here's the drink I ordered with my meal, and look at the food in the background. I'm ready to dive in. This is the main entree that I ordered. It was shrimp and rice. It was really tasty, lots of flavor. For my dessert, I chose this little fruit platter, and it also came with this box of chocolate. I didn't think this experience could get any fancier, but look, they even bring the wine bottles out to you. All right, here it is. One of the main things that really sets Emirates apart is that they have a lounge. In the lounge, you can pick up light bites like sandwiches, you can get water, fruit, and assorted snacks. Here's the bar. There I am. Not only can you get drinks, you can get cake, candy, and other desserts. I just have to say this cake was my absolute favorite on the flight. Delicious. This is a view of the wing of the plane from a window in the lounge. In business class, you do also get your own overhead bin, which is very spacious. Okay, so around this time, I'm looking for something to watch because it's around that time on the flight where I'm ready to kind of wind down. This was a 14-hour flight and we had been in the air for hours at this point, and it was time to wind it down. Before bed, I did order one more snack. This is the chicken tikka wrap. It was so flavorful. At this point, I am ready for bed, so I'm getting all comfy and snuggly in my seat. I thought it was so cool that in the ceiling, they have stars. I mean, can you say goodnight? This is what the seat looks like fully extended into the bed position. You just press one of those buttons right next to you and you are down into the bed position and ready to go to sleep. Now it's time for breakfast. I ordered crepes topped with granola and raspberries. I had a muffin, a croissant, fruit, hot tea, and water. And would you look at that? We are approaching Dubai. All right, everybody. Now I can see why Emirates Business Class on the A380 is continuously mentioned as one of the best in the world. Bye.